Want to record a quick video where I show you how to use Reflex AI Assistant using the open text field. So someone pointed this out to me that I didn't actually cover this in my previous AI Assistant video. There's this open text field that you can just ask anything into. It's not a saved custom prompt box. So I'm just going to show you that really quick and walk through a couple of examples, and I assume people will kind of share their own as well. So really quick, just to use it, same as the AI Assistant with custom prompts or system prompts, you just select some text, and then you can either use Command J shortcut or click on the stars. And it opens up this box where previously in my videos, I would just select a prompt, but we can also ask it something. So here in the background, I just have some AI generated meeting notes. It's not real. I actually haven't even read through it yet. So let's try asking it something. So you can say, what roadblocks or challenges were mentioned in this transcript? And just hit enter, and it will just run that prompt with this text on as the context. And then here you can see it points out a couple of things. Now, you'll notice it's not a chat. So it's not like, our AI chat with an advanced search. You can go in and just kind of have an ongoing conversation. This is not that. So once I have a result here, just like with the custom prompts, I have an option to rerun it, insert it, copy it, or replace it. But it's not like I can now ask follow-up questions. So you would still need to use chat for that. Another interesting one, though, just to kind of give you an idea, I just saved this recipe here. So if I wanted to, this maybe wasn't the best example because I'm going to ask it to make it vegetarian. Make this recipe vegetarian. I'm not really sure what it's going to do since that's a chicken soup. Cool. And then just gives us a response here. I'm actually curious. What did it replace it with? Butter. Okay, I don't think it actually replaced the chicken. It just took it out, but that's still a valid response. So just a couple ideas there. You could use this on everything from book notes to saved article notes and whatnot. But in general, I think it's useful for those one-off cases where you don't actually want to save a custom prompt. So actually, maybe if I pull up my custom prompts here, maybe I can have some that I probably should have just asked AI and didn't want to save. Dun, 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 dun. Translations are a good one. I don't really do a lot of translations, so that's a really good one. Just translate something. Maybe some writing stuff, like voices and whatnot. If I wrote an article and I just know one section's bad and I want it to rephrase it or something. But I think that's about it. I mean, honestly, I think I usually save most of my custom prompts because I reuse them. But occasionally you might just have some that you don't want to actually save. It's also faster, takes a little bit of time to save a custom prompt. So if you just need to do something quickly, this is a great way. But I think that's about it.